everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F5 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So we've got two different ways to check the number, by using the settings and by using a secret code. I'd like to start with a settings, so I'll show you longer way, however it will for sure work every time. So let's enter the settings, tap on About Phone. Here we have to tap on Detailed Info and Specs and then scroll down to find the status. Now in the device details we have to tap on the model, and as you can see at the bottom we've got the serial number of this device. So that was the first way to check the serial number. The second way, as I said, is by using the settings. It is the fastest way, of course. However, the settings will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let me show you the secret code, which is short, the asterisk pound 06 pound. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.